be. What editor can be? Editor can be a feminine gender or maybe masculine gender. Female gender भी हो सकती है editor और क्या हुआ male gender भी हो सकती है. इसीलिए respected sir और madam या madam. Understand? Madam, madam नहीं, madam है madam. Understand? As generally it has been pronounced as madam. What it is? Respected sir or madam. Understand? After that you have to leave this line. ये line पूरी छोड़नी है. लेटर राइटिंग लिखते समय इवैल्यूएटर क्या देखता है बाबा? व्हाट द इवैल्यूएटर ऑब्जर्व्स. अरे इवैल्यूएटर ऑब्जर्व्स दैट वेदर द स्टूडेंट हैज रिटन दैट लेटर इनटू व्हाट यू कैन से the sequence so that he has followed step by step or just he has written whatsoever he felt. ऐसे भी बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं लेटर राइटिंग लिखे न्यूज एडिटर न्यूज. अरे न्यूज एडिटर ऑफ द न्यूज़पेपर भी नहीं लिखते. समझ में आया क्या? दे राइट डायरेक्टली अंडरस्टैंड न्यूज़पेपर. किन के न्यूज़पेपर भाई? कहां का न्यूज़पेपर? अरे थोड़ा तो नाम होना क्या नहीं है. अंडरस्टैंड? आई ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड माय डियर्स. ओके, रिस्पेक्टेड सर और मैडम, एंड व्हाट यू हैव टू डू नाउ? जस्ट यू हैव टू फॉलो द सेम स्टेप. डिस्क्रिप्टिव पार्ट ऑफ लेटर राइटिंग. कैसे? रिस्पेक्टेड सर और मैडम, रेफरेंस with the above request. Reference with the above request. Understand how it is? Reference with the above request. क्या करना है? above request करना है. Reference with the above request. I undersigned the student of government high school, the government high school of Mangalore. Understand? Mangalore. And I am studying in 10th standard. So dear sir, the problem, dear sir, the reason of writing a letter is that the reason of writing a letter is that nowadays the prices of commodities are really what? Jumping up, or what we can say increasing up and up. Hence, therefore, up and up. Therefore, it has become what it has become? It has become impossible to the common people to purchase it so that we request you so that I request you to just I will take over here. I request you to, please try to understand the remaining part, just I am taking up. I request you to recommend the government or just give one of the one of the articles regarding the prices of the prices of commodities which are the prices of commodities which are give one of the articles regarding the prices of commodities which are very which are very important for a common man, for a what we can say common man, so that even the common man can also purchase it. Hence I understand hence I request to convey my message up to the responsible authority and oblige. This is the descriptive part of letter writing. And later on what we have to do? We have to just follow the Western pattern of letter writing, that is thanking you. At the ending, thanking you. After that, yours. Then what we have to write? Your name. Ravish it is. For example, name. What is your name? For example, yours. Your name. What it is there? Ravish. And what it is? The son of Gilbert. Government High School, Mangalore. And what you have to do? Remember, my dears, you should not forget to write or to just sign in between yours and the name. I mean that up of the name you must sign. That is very important. For example, understand, Ravish. Okay, Ravish Gilbert. In this way you have to sign. So what is this? This is the formal letter writing, and that too using Western pattern of letter writing. We have just seen one of the patterns of letter writing, that too formal letter writing. As you know, my dears, what we have to do whenever we are following the Western pattern of letter writing, then what the steps that we have to follow, that is very important. And whenever we are following or whenever we are writing the Indian pattern of letter writing or using Indian pattern of letter writing in formal letter writing, what the steps that we have to follow, that is also very important. Yes, at last, in my concluding speech, I will tell you what do you mean by pattern, what do you mean by Western pattern of letter writing. Western pattern of letter writing के प्रकार या वेस्टर्न पैटर्न ऑफ लेटर राइटिंग में क्या क्या करना है? पहले जो the person who is writing a letter, his address must be there. That is the first step. Second step, to whom we are going to write a letter, that is his or her address must be written. That is the second step. And third step is the subject, what for you are going to write a letter, that must be inverted. And fourth step, the descriptive part of letter writing. And fifth step, thanksgiving. And last it is your address. And if possible, you can write what you can write here. If possible, again one more thing, you can write here place and also you can write here date. Over. That is the Western pattern of letter writing that we have to follow. As you know, my dears, my intention is to make you understand how to be written that formal letter writing using the two patterns. One is Indian pattern of letter writing and another one is Western pattern of letter writing. So in my next video, we will discuss regarding Western pattern of letter writing versus Indian pattern of letter writing, and just we will discuss only regarding the points. And remember, my dears, write to your left hand from the beginning up to the end on the page of letter writing. You have to go step by step. That is very important in Western pattern of letter writing, that too formal letter writing. So guys, I think you might have understood what do you mean by the Western pattern of letter writing, that too formal letter writing. So here whatever I have taught, definitely you might have appreciated it. So please like my video and do not forget to subscribe it. If you have subscribed my channel, surely I will reach first of all up to you. That is very important. So guys, we will come along with tribes of the along with the multi flowers of my teaching in next video. Till then, take care. आपका दिन मंगलमय हो।